Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common words are used. Start. On the other hand, it has created an unrealistic as well as socially and economically injurious market for air travel. Full stop. Massive investments have also been made in road transport, particularly in buying modern fleets of trucks. Full stop. The argument that the railways have not been able to cope with new demands has been self-serving, leading to a steady decline in the volume of passengers and freight. Full stop. There was another report more recently about the Pakistan Railways planning to close down some uneconomical trains. Full stop. Instead of expanding, the system is being curtailed. Full stop. Without going into reasons that have bred this distortion of national priorities, we must argue forcefully for a thorough reconsideration of the policy regarding transportation. Full stop. The story of the decay in the railway establishment need not to be repeated. Full stop. The fact that while the population of the country is increasing, the number of passengers traveling by train has declined is eloquent enough. Full stop. The length of the track in the country has remained static at about 1000 miles, and the track has not been sufficiently renovated to follow faster trains. Full stop. The only pronounced growth has taken place in the number of the officers in the employ of this service. Full stop. The remedy, no longer, lies in partial improvements. Full stop. Inefficiency in and technical shortcomings of the railways have to be tackled in their turn. Full stop. But vitally crucial is the formation of a national transportation policy in accordance with our national requirements and the economy of operation. Full stop.